Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to design your Shopify store using AI tools. Designing a professional online store can feel overwhelming, especially if you don't have design experience. But with Shopify's AI tools, you can generate and customize your store design in just a few steps. Instead of building everything from scratch, AI helps you create layouts, styles, and sections based on your preferences. To begin, open your browser and log into your dashboard on Shopify. Once you're inside the admin panel, navigate to the online store section in the left-hand menu. Inside the online store section, look for the section that says Design Your Store in Seconds. This feature allows Shopify to generate a store design based on your input. Here, you can enter details such as your brand or niche, the type of products you sell, preferred colors and style, as well as the busy, overall theme or vibe, modern, minimal, bold, etc. Be as specific as possible, because the AI uses this information to generate a design tailored to your store. Once you've entered your preferences, proceed to generate your design. Shopify's AI will create a new theme layout based on your input. After a few moments, you'll be presented with a newly designed theme. Review the design and select the one that best matches your vision. Once selected, apply the theme to your store. Now comes the customization part. Open the theme editor, where you can modify different sections of your store. Shopify's AI tools can assist you here as well by helping you generate or refine content within each section. You can edit areas such as homepage banners, product sections, text content, as well as images and layouts. In many sections, you'll find AI-assisted options that allow you to generate text, adjust layouts, or improve design elements automatically. For example, select any text you want to edit, and under it there is a box where you can ask for changes by using the AI. Insert your preferences and click Send. Once that's done, as you can see, the theme has been customized based on your liking. Once you're satisfied with the design, save your changes and preview your store to see how it looks to visitors. Using Shopify AI design tools allows you to quickly create a professional-looking store without needing advanced design skills. To summarize, designing your Shopify store with AI involves going to the online store section, using the Design Your Store with AI feature, entering your preferences, selecting a generated theme, and then customizing each section using AI tools. This makes it easier to create a visually appealing and professional store in less time. And that's how to design your Shopify store using AI tools. By letting AI generate your theme and then refining it through the editor, you can build a high-quality store without starting from scratch. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.